If you are building healthcare software, there is a question how to store and process medical data. So let's try to answer for this with Google Cloud Services. So, for example, we have a lot of data in different parts. For example, laboratory, imaging, data in hospitals, and we should assemble this in one place to analyze. So there is a Cloud Healthcare API. You can understand this as a PaaS, platform as a service, but it only gives you the store. For example, to store data raw, unstructured at FHIR store or in another format HL7v2 store or another formats. So you can store raw unstructured storage, but you should build pipeline by yourself and transform the data from one format to another format by yourself. So there is another service also called Healthcare Data Engine that was built on top of Healthcare API, but have predefined automated transformation. It says that 90% of HL7v2 format data, medical data, can be transformed for FHIR data and can process and prepare data for BigQuery because it has BigQuery integration. So Healthcare Data Engine is built on top of Healthcare API and automates, and it's an end-to-end pipeline ready-to-use solution. So which one to select, it depends on you, but the easiest one is to start with Healthcare Data Engine because it has ready and it's easy to start with it. But if you need more flexibility, more control, if you want to store data and transform by yourself because the data may be not in the right format and not so easy, and if you need more power to transform and use data, you can try Cloud Healthcare API. So in summary, Cloud Healthcare API is a PaaS that you should use to store data, but it requires by developer the transformation and ingestion of data, and Healthcare Data Engine can automatically ingest, transform, and prepare data for further analysis with BigQuery or another solutions.